This 2021 Dutchmen Coleman 2515RL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Dutchman is 29 feet 5 inches in length and features Sleep 6, Skylight, auxiliary battery, Slideout, external shower, carbon monoxide detector, microwave, smoke detector, refrigerator, awning, LP detector, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Dutchmen Coleman 2515RL is 5,704 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.